This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds where preparations are already underway for the 2025 Florida RV Supershow. Now, this is our 40th anniversary and is going to be our largest show ever. Now, please be advised that this is going to be a huge show, the greatest RV show in the world, in fact. Every major manufacturer will be here, and we have over 350 vendor booths. It is so large that it will definitely take you at least 2 days to see everything, which is why all entry tickets have a free second day back to the show. The show is open to the public January 15th through 19th at the Florida State Fairgrounds. The gates are open Wednesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The parking gates open daily at 7 a.m. Tickets are already available online, which saves time at the gate. To purchase tickets, visit FRVTA.org, click on the Florida RV Supershow link on the homepage. On the Supershow webpage, there will be an advanced ticket sale link under admission. We have an amazing door prize this year at the Supershow. We're giving away a 2025 Rockwood Premier Hardside to one lucky winner. To register to win, stop by the iPad tables as you walk into the show. There is a full lineup of informative and educational seminars at the show. You can view the list by visiting the Florida RV Supershow webpage and clicking on the purple seminar schedule link on the top left. We are hosting RV influencer meetups again this year at the Supershow in the Meet and Greet building, which is located by the Tico Arena or Supplier Building A. On the map, you will find this in the bottom left corner. There will be barbecue, pizza, pasta, Cuban sandwich, and sweets of all kinds, just to name a few of the amazing food trucks that we will have at the Supershow. We also have plenty of nonstop family-friendly roving entertainment at the show, from clowns and unicycle riders to bagpipe bands. The Supershow has enough entertainment to keep everyone busy the entire day. To plan your adventure and navigate at the show, I recommend downloading our app. Just go to your app or Play Store on your smart device and search for FRVTA or the Florida RV Trade Association. After you download the app, please explore the great features before the show. For more information on the show, please visit our website, FRVTA.org, and click on the show link on the home page. I will be posting sneak peek and industry day videos of the show on our YouTube channel, FRVTA, so please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.